Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, they can hear you. They have headphones on.
Oh, right.
Okie dokie, let's begin then. So this is the story of the problem of longitude.
Whoa. Who is longitude? What? I'm confused.
Okay, let me explain this from the beginning. If you imagine lines running from top to bottom or north to south on the world, these are known as the lines of longitude. Can you see how they make segments?
Like an orange?
Yes, exactly like an orange. The distance between the segments represents 1 hour change in time. If you move east, the time goes forward, and if you go west, then the time goes back.
Oh, so that's why when I go far away on holiday, I have to change the time on my watch. That all makes sense.
Exactly. All the time zones change from Greenwich in London. So if you were going to New York in America, from the UK, you cross 5 time zones, or 5 segments, which means that you wind your clock back 5 hours.
I see. That's really cool. But you said at the beginning this was the story of the problem of longitude. So what is the problem?
Well, about 300 years ago, nobody understood how to calculate longitude. So we are going to time travel to the 1700s to see what the problem was. Please pull string number 1.
That's a really stormy sea. Oh, wow, look at that shipwreck. Is that a dead body? Ew, gross.
Well, this was at the heart of the problem. Ships sailed using the stars to calculate their longitude. But obviously stars move, and we move, and if it's cloudy, then it's not very accurate. Sailors needed a way to know exactly where they were in the world. In fact, so many people died because they crashed into rocks and land, which according to their calculations were elsewhere, as if they were sailing blind. Please pull rope 2.
Where are we? Why are they wearing those strange wigs?
Listen up. The Board of Longitude has just announced a competition with prize money of £20,000 for the one who can solve the longitude problem.
That's a lot of money to win.
Yes, especially in the 1700s. This could buy you and all your friends mansions.
Wow, that's amazing.
Please pull rope 3. Welcome to the Inventor's Workshop. He has worked out that knowing your time at sea is really important.
You've already told me that time is important.
Yes, but remember, we are in the 1700s and time wasn't used to navigate. Keeping time at sea was near impossible. Back then, they were not aware that time was key to know where you are at sea.
I remember now.
The inventor believes that to know where you are at sea, you need to know the time of the place you leave and your time on the boat.
So you need 2 clocks, one set to where you leave and one that is the correct time on board ship.
Yes, you do, but our pendulum timekeepers are not accurate enough. The motion of the waves and boat swing the pendulums out of time.
What are pendulums?
Grandfather clocks have a pendulum that swings and counts the seconds. But to make a pendulum clock that withstands the rough seas, that might be impossible. However, the inventor wonders whether a person's body can be so easily moved.
Timekeeper could be a person.
Perhaps it could. Someone's body could accurately keep a measure of time. A mind that counts as a clock. If only we could find such a person.
Wait a minute. What about the person sitting here? Are you still there? Hello?
Yes, they are. Are you blind? Now, listen up. Can you lower the 3 curtains and step out to see if you can be the human clock?
Oh, that sounds exciting.
The inventor will help you on your quest. Please exit to take on the challenge. Farewell.